Have I got a story for you?
Welcome to Sweden. Red eyes are always fun. Oh, this sounds so good on paper. Then in actual reality, very shitty.
Have I got a story for you?
I am enjoying the emergency room in Stockholm, Sweden. The story is, last Saturday, I was playing volleyball with my friend Luis, and just a ton of people were playing volleyball. Sunny day, Stockholm, like just wearing board shorts, in the sand, beach volleyball, so fun. And we get these, we get a e-bike to go. We're both gonna go home, and yeah, this e-bike, just the wire like flung down and locked itself around the front wheel. So I'd only gone like 10 yards on the thing, and the front wheel just locked. And because I'm standing up, the seat was low, and I hadn't got a chance to adjust the seat, so I'm like standing up, pedaling. Nothing's wrong. Just been doing like fun sports the whole day. So I just get body slammed onto the pavement. Man, I'm out briefly, very briefly. Left side hurts. I don't remember where I am. Luis asked me if I know her name. I say yes, but I don't know. I don't know her face. I think I'm in Europe. I knew we played volleyball, but didn't remember any parts of the actual playing of it. And I felt like I was in a motorcycle accident. Like I felt like I just had a motorcycle accident, and this is embarrassing because I just had another one. And I knew my bike was in Bali, but was it broken down there? I don't remember any of these details of my life that are clear on a normal day. Oh, the memory cloudy. So first they took my blood to see if I hurt my head, which I never knew. Like certain things show up in a blood scan that knows whether or not like your brain is bleeding. So they did that first, then got x-rayed. I knew my clavicle was broken anyway, like cue x-ray now. You can see it's just tented up, so it's not poking through the skin, but it's trying to trying to get its head above water. And it's the same one that I broke before, so it's got a titanium plate in there anyway, so it's a bit of a complicated issue going forward, which is where I'm at now, which is the second time back in the ER, and I'm trying to schedule a surgery because there's about a 1-inch gap between the two pieces that's not going to heal right, and it's going to be, my shoulder's going to be jacked up for the rest of my life. And I'm familiar with the surgery. I hate surgery, but I don't want to be jacked up for the rest of my life. So here we are. Initial consultation with an orthopedic surgeon. Oh, and the black eye. I didn't hit my eye. So that was a part of the CT scan. Like even as soon as I kind of started feeling what hurt, I could just feel my eye just filling. Like it felt weird. So all that bruising, and I hit my head right to, I can't move my left arm, otherwise I point up there, right here is where I hit my head. It's still, yeah, it's still not symmetrical, so it's a bit swollen there, but there's no bruising, no redness whatsoever, but I think like that impact kind of flew into the eye, and it was only above, I'll put the picture up of that night, it was only above the eye here. So hence the CT scan, because they're like, oh, you know, definitely got my bell rung. I can't remember having my memory that foggy. Just like, I can talk and function as a human, but I don't know where I am or how I got here. Good old bell ringing. That's titanium plate, 5 screws already there, and that's meant to be horizontal, and it is not. So it needs to get pushed back down. I don't know if they're gonna add on to it or take that out and use it as scaffolding to add the rest. But hopefully I'll get some answers today. Let's see if we can see it. See how it puffs up. Right there. Yeah, the top of my clavicle is right there. Oh, it's so weird. It's not there anymore. It's up here. So I'll get the surgery here in Sweden. Obviously, great, sophisticated, developed country, and I feel like I'm in good hands here. But I'm waiting to speak to an orthopedic surgeon. I spent like 6 hours in the ER testing my blood. Came back negative. X-ray. That came back, but now we have to wait because the blood results came back positive for brain trauma. Then the CT scan, then we had to wait another hour and a half for those results. So we got super busy, late night ER. If anyone's been there, you know how annoying and weird it is. So yeah, we were here for a long time waiting for a doctor to look at the CT scan to say, you're fine, go home. And since then, I've been just motoring as in walking around the city, visiting, trying to find orthopedic surgeons, trying to find someone that does shoulders, because talking on the phone is impossible. No one calls you back, everything's in Swedish. And it's just better to show up. So I've just been walking like 15,000 steps every day with a broken clavicle. I think I'll be in Stockholm for a while. I'm back to the waiting room that we enjoyed for hours. Why I'm showing you this is I want to show you the snacks that we enjoyed. The tomato basil, very good. The chive one was actually garlicky, believe it or not. And then I think we enjoyed, oh, they're not here. We enjoyed some cashews. They looked like shit. They tasted really good. That's my review of what we had out of the snack cupboard. Yeah. This is a phone charger. Yeah, we charge our phones there. You must love this. Just met with a doctor, and I think the general rule is to encourage tourists to go home. And I understand that as well, but for the hassle for me to go home, it's a very kind of simple surgery, then that just messes up the timeline for me going back to work and for me getting a well-repaired shoulder. The fastest way to do that is to do it here. And I'm in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm very confident in the work that gets done here. And yeah, to pack all my shit, fly home, wait again to see somebody, tell them for them to tell me it's 2-week wait or whatever. So he's gonna go ask the senior doctor and see what they say. But yeah, they don't want to do it. Go home, do it there. Don't you want to go home? No, I don't. I don't have a home. Well, that was super fucking annoying. So basically, I got young blood to come in, and I gotta go to the prescribe some painkillers, which will come in handy. Paracetamol was fine, but let's see what's on the menu here. We are done here. Maybe. I'm gonna go get a second opinion. Someone that's got a time slot that can fit me in. Yeah, I'm not going back to the States. Oh, here's one of the bikes that tried to kill me. Oh, you little fuckers. That's the wire right there. That's the one that did it. Got wrapped around the front wheel. She locked. Good times. You never know what you're gonna find on a walk home, foreign country. I have no idea. I'm freezing, and this is fun. Holy shit! Guess who's getting surgery on Thursday? Like it's 1 week from now. Oh, I was on my way to the other emergency room to just plead my case to get surgery. Just someone fix the shoulder. Like it's not gonna fix itself. And so just got off the phone with the head of orthopedic surgery from Goran Hospital, the original emergency room I went to. Super nice guy. Oh, just a way different feeling than the one I got yesterday, where they're like, "Nah, go home. Go home. You can't. Don't you want to go home?" I'm like, "No, I don't want to go home. It'll take forever to go home. It'll be super painful, and I'll have to start this whole fucking process again." So, I can't believe that it just worked out. Thank you, Sweden. It's 5:40 in the morning. Time for surgery. So I don't know if you can see the difference. That's bone sticking up. That's why I need surgery. Oh, you can't make this shit up. This is an article that I'm reading just before I go into surgery because of these e-bikes. Rental of bicycles in Stockholm is stopped for safety reasons. There's been a number of reports. Someone's in the hospital. It's not me. I'm not in the hospital, but I was. Oh, it's so fucking annoying. 6 a.m. and I'm gonna do the slow march of death to the hospital. Nice 24-minute walk. Get there early. So now I'm walking my ass to surgery to get the clavicle repaired, to get the another plate. So there's already a plate there. I'm gonna put another one. I'm definitely gonna be bionic / Wolverine on port side clavicle. Fucking stoked. Just at the hospital now, about to go in for surgery. Look at these vile things. Yeah, thanks Stockholm e-bike. You're the best. So what happened to me was, see this wire here that holds this fender on? Yeah, this wire came loose and just locked itself onto the wheel. Absolutely nothing I could have done. And I really wish I had a photo of that. There we go. Happy hospital time. Alright. Phase 1 of my gender reassignment is over. I feel more and more like a woman. It went well. I feel nauseous. Let's take a look. A small cut. The doctor just left, and everything went really well. None of the possible foreseen bad things happened. There's plenty of meat left on the small piece outboard, and it wasn't cracked, so there's screws in it. And so my old plate is on the front of the clavicle, and the new plate's on the top. And then, I just gotta be out for 2 months. I can't, like this foam, the arm that's holding this foam up now, that's my good arm. I can't lift my other arm that high. I can't get my elbow above my shoulder for 2 months, which sucks. But yeah, in 4 months until it's healed stronger than it was before. So I won't be riding a motorcycle for 4 months. The doctor was awesome. The nurses are really smart and funny, and everything's super clean and organized. I think before every surgery you get nervous. And as soon as I went to the doctor, I was like, yeah, just older dude, confident. He crushed it. So, now I just gotta heal. Glad that went well. That's all right, I guess. That's pretty much it. I'm dressed. Out of here. Feel a little bit woozy, a little bit hot, but I'm outie. Thank you very much.